Hello YouTube, Two Cools 2. Sorry for this very late report because I've been busy painting and burning CDs. So we're having a new snowstorm, 6 to 10 inches. Now I'm reading 14 inches. As you see this thing on the bottom scrolling by, I believe it said 14 inches. So they're probably 14 inches. Today is January 26th, I believe, January 26th, yeah, 27th, 2011. It is 9:57 right now, and so I'm going to show you guys the weather report on the Weather Channel. It was hailing before, sleeting, whatever you want to call it, and first of all, it hurt your head. Second of all, it's hard to walk through. It snowed this morning, and let me stand up. It snowed this morning, and so I went outside before. The sleet went on the snow, and the snow was like...
A winter storm warning and a flood advisory have been issued for our area by the National
The snow was like a layer on top of it of ice, and you could walk through it like you crack ice. It was like weird. And you actually pick up the little balls of ice on the floor until they melted in your hand. It took about 5 seconds to melt. So yeah. Okay, so here's the weather report. Yeah, it is windy out. I would go outside and show you guys, but
here's our local.
It's just too bad out there. See, near blizzard conditions, and it's too crazy to go out. So. Oh, sorry. Read the bottom.
For tonight, heavy snow, thunder possible, low 30, winds north at 20 to 30 miles per hour, snow accumulating 6 to 10 inches. And on Thursday, mainly sunny, high
so it'll be
36,
sunny tomorrow.
Winds west-northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. And Thursday night, partly cloudy skies during the evening will give way to cloudy skies overnight. A few flurries possible late, low 24. Our 7-day
I believe this is another snowstorm. That's what my mother told me. Another snowstorm is coming. So a day later, another snowstorm. Another reason I don't want to go outside is also I'm not feeling good. I think I'm gonna throw up. I don't know. So yeah, I think they'll show something right now.
Well, like a long marathon, our series of winter storms continue in the Northeast. We'll talk about this latest round of heavy snow.
Washington, D.C., they said there's 500,000 people without power.
Airports will have a complete travel update coming up. Plus, are there any more storms up the sleeve of Mother Nature?
Yes.
We'll take a look at the weekly planner right here tonight on Weather Center.
Alright, stay for 2 updates. Bye, guys.